Why should you encourage your child to appear for Olympiad examinations? Let's understand some of the benefits for appearing for Olympiad examination. First is the child enhances the problem solving skill. The another is timed study. So timed tests are there, and therefore these timed tests enable child to speed up and be accurate. So speed and accuracy is another aspect that students gain from while they are preparing for Olympiad examination. They also in this process get deep subject knowledge. Now with the reduced syllabus in NCERTs, we have seen many of the units are even totally removed from the syllabus. In that case, when the students enter 11th and 12th or they enter into college, they really find it difficult. So if they have an early start and orientation towards STEM courses, then definitely preparation for Olympiads help to develop deep subject knowledge. It also increases their confidence level. As the student starts to prepare, even if they don't qualify, they qualify or not, it does not matter. But the idea is student definitely gets confident about the kind of questions they do, the kind of problems they solve. And once they are able to get a platform, they have a place to interact with others, develop network, get exposure, and that would ultimately help them in overall personality development. Now the next thing comes is, what are the Olympiads that your child can appear for? So here is the list of Olympiads that your child can appear for. Now in this, IMO, NSO, ISSO, IEO are the Olympiads being conducted by SOF. SOF does not take individual entries, so you have to fill the form only through your school. However, if you want to go for individual exams, you can go for NSTSC and UIMO. Those are by Unified Council. You can do individual registrations there. Then there is a government examination for certain sections, that is Yashasvi. You can apply for that if you are eligible in that category. For West Bengal, there is a separate Olympiad, which is Vidyasagar Olympiad for 9th and 11th students. Similarly, you can appear for Geography Olympiads, Homi Bhabha Olympiads, which are well recognized. Then there are various mathematical Olympiads, like Singapore Mathematical Olympiad is a separate Olympiad. NDSC is again conducted by NCERT. However, for last 3 years, it has not been happened recently. But those are some of the Olympiads that your child can prepare for. And definitely for any of those, if you need help or assistance, we are here to help you on the given number. Feel free to connect back. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day.